This tutorial will cover helpful tips and tools for picking a research topic and getting through the research process. When you're just getting started, research can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be this way. When picking a research topic, ask yourself a few questions. What topics am I interested in? Or what about this topic interests me? Try to find a personal connection to the topic, whether it's through personal experience or just something that you're curious about. Finding your connection to the topic will make the research process fun and easier. There are many library resources that can help you in choosing a topic. We have things like research guides, library database tools such as Browse by Discipline and Topic Finder. In-context databases provide great background and ideas. And, of course, you can ask a librarian. If you're at a bit of a loss for even selecting a topic, there are several library resources to help you out. First, see if there's a research guide associated with your class. You can find those here on the library's homepage. And I'm going to look at Soc 1010. Here I have a list of common social problems that I can use in sociology to help me pick a topic that I might get started with. These research guides are created by your Pellissippi librarians and contain a bunch of useful resources, some of which include topic lists. Another way to pick a research topic is by using the tools within our library databases, which you can access from the library homepage, either under Find, Databases A to Z, or in the gray One search box here by clicking Databases. The database Academic OneFile, which is the first here on the list, provides several ways to pick a topic. First, try browsing by discipline here. We can pick topics such as psychology and find a list of topics associated with that area. Let's say I have a general topic in mind, but I need help narrowing that down. I can look under Topic Finder on the database homepage here to get some ideas. Use the search bar under Topic Finder here to type your general topic. In this case, I'm going to look at vaccines. This tile visualization gives me some ideas of areas I might focus in, such as public health, United States, or maybe the influenza vaccine. Click on one of these to find even more narrowed topics. Here, I could focus on the causes, I could focus on children, or maybe H1N1. Selecting one of these will give you a list of results to the right-hand side to get you started. In this case, I have 7 results. To find background information or learn more about a topic to see how I can narrow it, I can also look at in-context databases. On our database list, I can use this search bar here to type in context. This will give me a list of databases. You can see there are 7 that focus on in context. I'm going to go ahead and look at Opposing Viewpoints in Context. This is a really good database for finding background information, but perhaps if your topic focuses more on science, you might try Science in Context. Or if you're looking at global issues, try Global Issues in Context. But let's take a quick look at Opposing Viewpoints. At the top here, I can say Browse Issues. This will give me a list of topic ideas. I can use this drop-down to help me choose an area of focus, such as health and medicine, science and technology, or perhaps business and economics. From here, you can choose an item on the list. Let's go ahead and take a look at autism. At the top here, I can click View More to learn more about this topic. I can go back to the screen I was originally on now and also see there are different viewpoint articles on this topic. I have some academic journal articles, news resources, statistics, and several other things. So this is a great database to learn more about a topic. Remember, you want to pick a somewhat narrow topic for your research. If you search something very general like abuse, you're going to find more results than you know what to do with. But if you narrow that topic to focus on a particular aspect of abuse and include a specific age range, such as children or young adults, you'll find better results. If you have questions about this process or about finding a topic, ask a librarian or speak with your professor. And remember, research can be fun when you pick a topic that interests you.